Hermes purchase. So, hindi pa kasi ako nakakagawa ng parang full luxury collection vlog. Parang nagawa ko pa lang before was my LD collection. So, hindi ko pa na-share yung as in yung full collection ko. But, I have a hobby or a knack in collecting the classic bags per brand. So, syempre dun lang sa mga brands na gusto ko. And so far, I am quite happy dun sa mga meron na ako today. So, I decided to grow my Hermes collection. And aside from that, malaki kasi talaga yung influence sa akin ng eldest sister ko. Yung nag-sale ng bags niya on my last video. So, medyo deprived din kasi kami when we were kids. Hindi kami galing sa mayamang pamilya. What we have today, lahat yun galing sa hard work and sacrifices. So, ngayon, when we are earning our own money na, decent naman, dire-reward naman namin yung sarili namin with what we want. Yeah. So, but before we proceed with the reveal of my Hermes bag, if you're new to my channel and you like the same things that I do, I encourage you to please subscribe. I do luxury bags and fashion vlogs almost every week pag hindi masyadong toxic ang buhay ko. So, yun, please subscribe on my channel and maybe we can be friends. So, here it is. So, ito yung aking new purchase. So, hindi takip na takip. So, alam niyo na kung ano to. Sa handles pa lang, figure out na kung ano siya. So, yeah. So, this is my new Hermes Birkin in the size 35. Yan. 35 in the Togo leather and gold hardware. I was so happy talaga when I got the bag. And pero guys ha, secret lang, actually hindi na secret kasi sabihin ko sa inyo, hindi pa to fully paid. So I'll give you some tips on how you can make your Hermes Birkin bag dream come true nang hindi nyo kailangan ng on hand na budget. So alam nyo ba guys, that there are a lot of leathers ng Hermes na bag. So dami-dami talaga. Before I made my purchase, I studied, I researched kung ano yung mga types of leathers na ginagamit nila. And ano yung mga downs and ups and downs, mga disadvantages and advantages ng kada leather. Because syempre, mahal siya, hindi biro yung lalabas yung pera. So that's why you have to do your research on what type of leather that you really want to have. So for me, and actually this is the most popular leather, it's the Togo leather. So yung Togo leather kasi, grained, grained yung appearance niya, but yung grains niya smaller than the Clemence leather. So, yun yung dalawang pinaka-popular na leather ng Hermes aside from the Epsom. So, si Epsom naman, para siyang machine-pressed leather and mas structured yung Epsom. Kasi tingnan niyo yung side nito, di ba may mga curves siya? Yan. So, pag Epsom yung leather ng bag nyo, hindi yan present. Kasi structured material siya. So, yung structure ng bag nyo talagang solid siya. Wala siya yung mga curves and ganyan, mga folds like. Yan. So, but for me, I really do love the Togo leather. Gusto ko yung feel niya. Ayoko nung matigas kasi I want the soft to touch. And gusto ko rin siya, yung konsepto niya na hindi ko kailangan masyadong ingatan yung bag. Like, syempre kapag sobrang delicate, hindi mo na gagamitin kasi manghihinayang ka when you use it. Magkakaroon ng signs of usage. But with the Togo bag, it's something that you can really grab when you're going out or travel ka, pwede mo siyang gamitin. So that's what I like about this. For the gold hardware naman, there are 3 types of hardware. There's the gold, there's the palladium, and there's the rose gold. Si rose gold, I'm not sure kung meron ang Birkin nun, but parang nakakakita rin ako. Pero madalas ko makita yung rose gold hardware sa Hermes Constance. So, I chose the gold one kasi napaka-classic. And sa jewelry din, mapapansin nyo, ang bagay lang sa akin is yellow gold and rose gold. gold. I don't wear white gold kasi hindi man maganda yung kutis ko. So even with the bags, I prefer the gold hardware as well. So I got this bag pre-loved na. So second hand na po siya. I got this from a very reliable seller online. And super ano naman kami, super tight na kami. Sana tight na tayo. And matagal na akong kumukuha sa kanya ng bags. So that's why I was able to get this even though hindi pa siya fully paid. Yun. Yung iba kasi, they prefer brand new purchases when it comes to holy grail bags like this one. But for me kasi, hindi na sa akin importante kung brand new ko nakuha yung bag. In fact, all my Chanel, isa lang yata sa Chanel ko ang brand new, but almost everything else is pre-loved. Kasi kung maganda naman yung condition, like look at this. Super nice pa niya. Hindi naman siya baboy na baboy or gamit na gamit. And you can get this at a very low price compared to brand new ones. So hindi naman ako choosy. Hindi ako choosing tao. Basta maganda may condition, okay sa akin kahit hindi siya brand new. So syempre, I guess your next question is magkano ko nabili yung aking Hermes Birkin bag. So ang price range kasi ngayon ng Hermes Birkin size 35, I believe based sobrang tagal kong nagharap yan, gabi-gabi, would be about 350 to about 550, ganyan, locally sa atin, for Hermes Birkin 35. So may mga reliable sellers na ganun yung price range nila. And yung mga factors that affect the price range would be the stamp or the year produced, the actual condition of the bag, and kung yung color nila is in demand or not, or hard to get. So yun yung mga factors na nag-affect ng price range niya. But yun nga, yun yung common pricing niya dito sa atin. Abroad naman, there are also other sellers, kung gusto nyo kumuha abroad, a little more than that. Siguro mga 500 to 600,000 pesos yung mga pre-love Birkin 35. But comparing to the size 30, kasi mas malaki to eh. Yung cm nito guys is from end to end is 35 cm. Kaya siya tinawag na Birkin 35. Meron silang bago na size 30, it's a little smaller than this. Mas mahal yon. I guess because for Asian market, kasi tayo, maliliit lang naman yung frame ng mga Asian, mga Pilipino, ganyan, Asian. So, mas gusto nila ngayon yung size 30. So, yung size 35, medyo parang kumbaga, least favorite option na ng mga tao when buying the Birkin. So, mas prefer nila yung size 30, kaya mas mahal yung price ng size 30 compared to 35. Size 35 looks. So, I am 5'4" and a half and malaki po akong babae as in. So, hindi siya alangan if you are same as me, yung build natin, yung height, or kung mas matangkad kayo sa akin. So, ganyan lang naman siya kalaki. It's not too heavy. Siyempre, malaki naman tayo. Hindi na natin iindahin yung bigat niya. But it's really on the heavier side since it's a tofu leather. But, hindi alangan. Kasi yung iba, they're scared to buy a size 35 because it might be too big daw. But yun nga, as you can see, it looks good naman on yung babae na ganito yung frame and yung height. And as you can see naman sa outfit ko, di ba? The tie-dye trend and the cycling slang, you can still wear your Birkin. Kasi yung iba, lalo ni kapatid ko ang arte-arte mo, ayaw niya bumili ng Birkin kasi daw hindi niya masusuot dahil hindi naman siya corporate. So, parang hindi niya masusuot when casual lang gamit. You can still wear it. Depende lang yan sa personalidad mo. So, hindi kailangan naka-corporate ka or super dressed up or dolled up ka to wear your Birkin. So, ito na nga, yung pinaka-importanting part, how I got the bag even though it's not yet fully paid. So, syempre, it also goes, parang pareho lang yan when you're buying a Birkin from an Hermes store. Hindi kayo basta-basta makakabili ng Birkin or ng Kelly from an Hermes store kung wala kayong or the sales associate. Hindi kayo o-offeran yan. Usually, they'll say wala silang stocks or not available. But if you build a relationship with your store, your local store, with an SA, you become their VIP client, that's the only time that they will offer you a Birkin or a Kelly. Same goes when buying pre-loved items. Ganun din yun. You have to build relationship with your seller. Hindi yung isang bili lang, okay na, end na ng relationship nyo. Just like me, hindi lang ako seller ng bag. I really do love bags. I have more than 50 bags at home. So, ang dami kong sellers na nakakatransact. And I build my relationship with them. So, that goes with the seller of this bag. I'm not gonna share muna. I'll ask her if pwede ha. Kasi baka mamaya, i-share ko siya, tapos maraming mag-inquire sa kanya about that payment plan and magalit siya sa akin. So, I'll ask first. So, since matagal na akong bumibili sa kanya, years na talaga, so she allowed me to pay a certain amount of down payment and then provide PDCs, okay, for a layaway plan for blank months. And then, once I paid the down payment and gave her the PDCs, nauwi ko rin. So, that's one tip. Okay, in order for you to get your Birkin or your Kelly dream bag, build a relationship with your seller, earn their trust, and I'm pretty sure meron silang ma-offer na layaway or payment plans kung gusto nyo ng Hermes or Birkin. There you have it, guys. And if you have any questions with regards to the bag, and kung paano ko siya nabili or anything that you can think about, please don't hesitate to post your comments below or DM me on Instagram. My Instagram account is at mommymaika2 and at mommymaika_VIP. Okay? So for those who like this video, please hit the thumbs up and also press the ring or the bell button para ma-notify kayo of my new uploads every week. Thank you again for sticking around and I'll see you guys next time.